Okay guys, here's my full harvest yesterday. Look how big. Look at this. It's growing again in the middle in one fruit or one garlic. It's growing inside. So that's my harvest yesterday. It's already night yesterday when I was harvesting, so it's here. Okay, there are mistakes here, like this one here. It's a big one, and I cut them in, see, and here are the small ones that I planted too. Now they can be used. These are the ones I cut when I was harvesting, see. So lesson learned. They are still, you can still use them. So I have to cure this. Look, there are big ones here too. So that's my garlic harvest. So here are the onions. The onions are also big. Some are big, some are small. Okay, to tell you the truth, this I planted these onions last year too. Same day with the garlic. Now these are replanted because there are small ones that was left over last year. So that's the reason why maybe it didn't grow more, or I picked the new ones also. What's left in the in the in the ground were all just planted this year. So these were planted last year, October. So that was an experiment because I don't want to waste my small garlic last year, so I planted them. So that's what happened. I got some big ones. See, they're overgrown because it was since last year. This one here. So it's so hard. See, look inside. So that's my harvest last year. This year, June 2024. The garlic should be harvested July 4th, but I did it already because they're all dry now. Anyway, so this has to be cured for a week or two. Then you can use it for cooking. Actually, you can use it now if you ran out of garlic and onions. But to make it last longer, you have to cure them. Okay, so that's what it is. There are big ones here. So it's a success. So this, I guess these small ones here are really the small ones that I planted, and it still grew. Should I count them? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay, it's less than 50, I believe. Okay then, bye for now. That's my harvesting garlic and onions. Watch for my what do you call this, potatoes. It's also nearly to be harvested. That's outside. It's drying already. So when it dried, then it's gonna be ready to harvest. So here's my kamote or yam, and these are the I'm drying this cantaloupe seeds. I just posted the cantaloupe seedings in Facebook and TikTok. So thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and see what else I can harvest. Well, I was harvesting every day the green peas. I haven't shown it yet, but every day I harvest them, so it won't be hard to eat if it will stay for days. And also I harvested also the pechay or bok choy, which we ate after harvesting. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you subscribe and see more of my harvestings and planting. Thank you. Bye-bye.